Welcome, students. Hope you all are fine and wrote your exams well. Students, we are going to continue the chapter Towards the Gangetic Plain. Do you remember the story of Sri Buddha? Yes, very good. Today, we are going to learn more about Buddhism. So, let's begin. The philosophy of Buddhism was very much in tune with the agrarian economic setup that had grown up in 6th century BCE. The most important of the tenets was ahimsa. Sri Buddha gave importance to one's own karma. He said that life is full of mysteries and that the cause of all sufferings was human desire. He stated that prayers and rituals or practices of any kind would never put an end to this suffering. Hence, rather than ritualistic practices, Buddha gave importance to the moral lives of people. Buddhism spread fast within and outside India. The Tripidakas, written in Pali language, comprise the main tenets of Buddhism. The Tripidakas are Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. Buddhism had made many contributions to the Indian culture. The administrative system of the Sanghas, which were formed for spreading Buddhism, helped the growth of democratic and value-oriented awareness in the society. For spreading Buddhism, many caves, chaityas, that is temples, viharas, that is monasteries, and pillars were built. These are evidences for the progress in the field of art and architecture. Buddhism also played a major role in promoting trade and cultural relations between India and neighboring countries. Countries like Myanmar, Japan, China, Sri Lanka, Java, and Sumatra became the main centers of Buddhism. The Buddhist viharas played an important role in the progress of education in India. The universities of Nalanda, Taxila, and Vikramashila were key centers of education and Buddhist teachings. Gradually, Buddhism started to decline in its motherland. Buddhist teachings and ideologies failed to receive much support from the later rulers. Moreover, Buddhism lost its grandeur when it was split into two sets, the Mahayana and the Hinayana. The revival of Vedic religion adversely affected the progress of Buddhism. Now, let's summarize what we learned today. The most important tenets of Buddhism was ahimsa. Sri Buddha gave importance to one's own karma. The universities of Nalanda, Taxila, and Vikramashila were key centers of education and Buddhist teachings. Buddhism split into two sects, the Mahayana and the Hinayana. The Tripidakas are Vinaya Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. The Tripidakas were written in Pali language. The Tripidakas comprise the main tenets of Buddhism. Hope you all understood what we learned today. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the topics. Study well. Thank you.